how to get unbanned from the PlayStation Network. You want to Google search for appeal PlayStation ban and click on the first website that pops up right here. Once we click on it, it's going to show us the different types of bans, and you just want to scroll down until you see can I appeal my PSN suspension. So here you will see two different suspensions. So you will have a suspension for account debt or appeal a permanent suspension. It is going to tell us that if your account was permanently suspended, you may be eligible to appeal the suspension. If you have been suspended for account debt, this will be lifted once you have paid off the balance. So here, let's say that we want to appeal a permanent suspension. Once we click on it, it's going to show us this, how to appeal a permanent suspension on the PlayStation Network. You may be eligible to appeal the suspension if you fulfill the following criteria. Your account is permanently suspended. The suspension is due to a breach of our code of conduct. You have not previously appealed the suspension. You review and accept the terms and conditions on the form, and you agree to comply with the code of conduct and the terms of service. So basically, if you click on appeal a permanent suspension here, you have to go through the prompts, and if your appeal gets approved, then your account will be unbanned from the PlayStation Network. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.